Good evening, my name is Daan Roosgaard. I'm the artist of Waterlicht, the artwork that you are right now at the Bentway in Toronto. So right now you are below water level, a combination of LEDs and lenses which shows how high the water level would be if we stop, if we don't invest in new ideas, if we don't use technology and design and creative thinking to make a city waterproof, to make a city resilient. So Waterlight is really about the power and poetry of living with water, but also the importance of clean water, the environment, as a resource, as our habitat for everyone. Our climate is changing, whether we like it or not, and the sea level is rising. But at the same time, I think we shouldn't be scared, but we should be curious. How can we become future-proof? Should we make floating cities to live with the water? Or can we generate energy from the changing in tide? So I think this is the true magic of Waterlight, to come together, to be mesmerized, to look at these beautiful waves of light, which always change because of the water and the wind and the amount of visitors, and work together and talk together and think together how we want our future world to look like.